What to do if you don't see the new features in the beta. So you're going to go to apps, you're going to go to beta, but before you download the Photoshop beta, notice it just says open. Click on the three-dot menu and then choose check for updates. Now it's going to ping the server and look for any new updates. So even if you don't see an update under Photoshop beta under the app screen, it doesn't mean there's not one available. Click on manage updates, go down. Even though it didn't show on the main screen, you can see there's an update here, and then just click on update. And then there's another thing I'll show you. Now launch the beta. Make sure that the beta is launching and not the regular version of Photoshop. And maybe you still don't see the new feature such as the generate image. This is usually because of the workspace. So if you hold these three dots, choose edit toolbar, you could choose restore defaults, or notice it's turned off here. When I turn that on and click done, now it appears. Hopefully this helped you.